Welcome, nature lovers, to our enchanted journey through the mystical depths of the forest. Today, we're delving into the verdant wonders of the woodland to discover the magical creatures that dwell within. Are you ready to embark on this whimsical adventure? Let's step into the forest. Gliding through the moonlit night with silent wings, it's the wise owl. Spells out O-W-L, owl. Can you hoot like an owl calling in the darkness? Owl. Let's marvel at their keen senses and nocturnal prowess. Curling into a spiky ball for protection, it's the adorable hedgehog. Spells out H-E-D-G-E-H-O-G, hedgehog. Can you roll into a ball like a hedgehog hiding from danger? Hedgehog. Let's admire their prickly armor and gentle demeanor. Building dams with industrious determination, it's the diligent beaver. Spells out B-E-A-V-E-R, beaver. Can you gnaw on wood like a beaver constructing their lodge? Beaver. Let's respect their engineering skills and dedication to their habitat. Hopping through the meadows with cottontail twitching, it's the playful rabbit. Spells out R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Can you hop like a rabbit exploring the woodland edges? Rabbit. Let's appreciate their bounding energy and curious nature.